Okay, so this is all about the draw tool tab, in which we have seen line, construction line, polygon, rectangle, etc. Now we'll see the modify instruction. So how to modify any line? So there are different instructions like this one is erase, copy, mirror, offset, array. So we'll see one by one. Let us see. Suppose I have drawn one line by using the instruction L enter. So this is a line and I have to erase this. So how to erase? First, select this erase option, erase, select the object and press enter. It will get erased. So I will repeat again. Suppose there is one line and I have to erase this object. So first step, click on erase. Then it will ask us to select the object. Then click on enter or spacebar. It will get erased. The shortcut for erase command is nothing but E enter and select object and press enter. It will get erased. Now the second instruction is nothing but the copy. How to use copy? Let us say there is one circle which is having diameter of 10 mm and I have to create multiple object of the circle, means I have to use the copy instruction. So how to execute copy? Select copy, then next is select object, press enter, then select the base point. Now this base point may be anything, means you may select it as a center, you may select any point on its perimeter, or you may select any point outside the object. So in this case I will select the center as a base point and just click anywhere whether you want to paste it. So you can create number of copies of this circle. Now there is one beauty of this copy instruction. Let us see how to use copy with base point. We'll see with example. Let us say there are two rectangles. This one is a rectangle 1 and I will just copy this and paste it here. This is a rectangle 2 and there is another object, let us say circle. It is at this position and I want to copy this circle at the same position in this rectangle. So how it is possible? Let us see. First select copy, then select object, press enter. Now in this case, if you are going to select center as a base point, it is very difficult to just paste it at the same position. In first case it may get is pasted over in another position. So instead of that, so whenever you are selecting the copy instruction, copy, select object, and while selecting the base point, instead of taking center, I will choose any of the corner of this rectangle. Okay, I will choose first one, this one, and just click at the same place in the second one. So your object will get pasted at the same location. So base point, it plays very important role. Let us say there is one rectangle inside this and I have to paste it at the same position here. So again I will use copy instruction, copy, select object, and in this case I will select, means press enter and select the base point at as any of the corner and then click at the same point. It will get pasted over here. So in case of copy instruction, that base point, it plays very important role. Let us say I have to draw a number of parallel line. So I will just draw first one, which is of 10 mm. As I want to draw horizontal, I will just make ortho on. So this is 10 mm line, and I have to just draw another parallel line in which there is a distance of, let us say, 10 mm. So by using this instruction, let us say suppose there is a distance of 10 mm, or let us say 5 mm. I will just choose at 5 mm, and I have to draw the another line which is 5 mm away from the first line, and it should be having 10 mm length. So I will just use copy instruction. The shortcut for copy is CO, enter, select this object. Now in this case I will select this as a base point and click here. So I will get another line with 10 mm length, and there is a distance between them is 5 mm. Again, suppose I have to create another parallel line, so I will use again copy instruction, copy. I will use this line as a object, select object, press enter, and place point as a first line. And accordingly, if I paste here, I can draw the number of parallel line in this way. You can use this copy command as per your requirement and as per the condition. Once you know about how to use copy, we'll see the mirror instruction in next session.